As the monsoon rains lash down, enjoy this platter of crispy pakodas, perfect for this weather. Welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. What I've done is I have sliced my potatoes, not very thin, not very thick, and I soaked these in salted water for about half an hour. Thinly sliced onions, don't need water to be added to this to make your batter because the onions start releasing moisture and that's more than enough. I've got some American corn which has been boiled. I'm going to add in some besan flour and a little bit of rice flour to make our bhajiyas nice and crispy. To this I'm going to add a little water. We don't want it very thin, just a little to make a nice thick mix. I've got some paneer which I have cut into pieces, but I've got them in pairs.